how to limit battery charge to 80% on Windows 11. Now, this actually works both on Windows 10 and Windows 11. It works the same. So what you just need to do is just press Windows on your keyboard and type in battery. Now from here, you will be able to change settings on your battery usage and battery informations. Now for you to set your battery charge to 80% limit, you'll just have to turn on battery saver automatically. So you can turn it on maybe 50% or 40%. You'll just have to change the settings of your battery usage so that you can limit your charge. You can also limit your screen time, your when plugged in, turn off after an hour or a minute. Then you can change the sleeping time and then change the setting when plug-in PC goes to sleep after a minute or an hour. You can also hover down to additional power settings. You can get help if none of these are working. So you just need to play along with your battery usages right here. So you'll be able to limit your battery charge at 80%. Works both for Windows 11 and 10. So that's how you limit your battery charge to 80% on Windows 11.